Mischief Lifestyle channel. Welcome back. I'm out here riding dirt bikes right now, being adventurous, you know what it is. Trying to stay out of the field here so I don't hurt the crop the best I can. We're going to go down here to this church and ride around for a little bit until I have to go to the shop. I'm going to go to my... Oh, groundhog, look at that! Oh, Brandon, I hit him! I accidentally hit the groundhog. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Ah, that's not cool. I don't like doing that. I don't like hurting animals or nothing like that. That's not cool. Alright, let's get this going. Woo! That was awesome. So I gotta go to my shop. It's like down here somewhere. I'm not going there right now. I'm just getting a quick video in for you guys. Just riding. I'm gonna go hit this little track that's over here. Make a short video. I'm gonna try to keeping up with videos. I'm gonna try to start posting like daily as much as possible. After I get off of work, go out and ride. You know, try to do that. I hope the footage is turning out good. I hope it's like a clear view. Let's go hit a little bit of a dirt bike jump. No, that's a mud puddle. Oh, pothole. There we go. Little track here. I don't know if it's for bikes or what it is, but I'm still ripping it. Back, hit this jump again. I don't know if this church is still open. It doesn't look like, it looks like it's kind of abandoned to me. But I'm not sure. Go back down here along the field, and then come back up, hit this jump again. Trying to get some decent footage for you guys. I need a new helmet. This thing is like a motorcycle helmet, not a dirt bike helmet. And I need like a new drifting helmet. We're gonna try to go down here and turn around and not be all up in the field. Right here might be good. Whip, back it up, back it up. I don't know what that is over there. I can't really back it up. Oh, I need some muscle. I need to work out. I'm a weak link. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Alrighty then. Sorry guys. Let's hope I'm not out of gas. That would be like crappy. Nah, I still got gas in there. Got something in my eye though. It's not cool. Fuel is on. That's rough. Alright, let's hit this jump. Ripping! Woo! I love that. That's awesome air, dude. I need to get a hold of Garage Sideways and see if I can go down there and like ride with him and film on my GoPro and put that footage up, have some good times. go back now. I'm gonna get out of here, but I'm gonna talk a little bit to you guys. The last time that I was down there, I was with a bunch of homies and doing car stuff, and kind of helped him work on his S15 Sylvia. Pretty dope car. It's awesome. You can go back and check that footage out. I might be able to put a link somewhere. I don't know where, around here somewhere. But yeah, he rides dirt bikes, and he has like a 450 Enduro. I know I probably wouldn't be able to keep up, but he rides a bunch of trails and stuff, and that's kind of like what I like to do. I would like to ride a track, but I don't know how this would hold up on a track and stuff like that. It's like Enduro pit bike, so yeah. But I'm gonna head back to my house now. Probably won't do too much talking because I'll be on the road going really fast. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to give me a subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I have more videos. Thank you guys for watching.